Good morning, happy Monday. This is Yuki for edition number 8 of your daily Milli. Milli is the number 1 meme coin on sale, and if you want to know more about Milli, how to buy it, you can visit the website milli.org. You'll find all the information you need. And if you want a complete tutorial on how to buy, I made a video just for that, and I'll put the link in the description of the video. But today, before we jump into the Milliverse, I want to do a roundup of the meme situation on sale at the moment. When you look at the cryptoverse in general, you can see that Dogecoin, meme coins, and shitcoins are reaching crazy market cap, with coins like Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, Pepe, and more recently Dog with Hat reaching the top 50 of all crypto when it comes to market caps. Dog with Hat and Book of Meme have been dominating the market the past week. It's pure craziness, and it's probably getting ready for another leg up. And it looks like every single meme coin on Solana at the moment is booming. Now let's over to Say and have a look at what's happening with our meme coins. First, we'll have a look at Sweeper, and you'll see after the initial pump, the chart looks almost dead. Heading over to Boo, we can see that it's almost the same. And last but not least, Senna did not even have an initial pump. It actually went down as soon as it was launched. So I don't think Say has the liquidity and the popularity at the moment to sustain more than one big meme coin. And every meme coin that fails is actually reinforcing the strength, the popularity, and the power of Milli. I personally got wrecked on Sweeper, Boo, and Senna. And I can guarantee that from now, any dollar I have to spend on meme coin is gonna go to Milli. I'm not saying these won't make a comeback, and it might be smart to put just 20 Say at each of these meme coins, just in case they wake up in 6 months and we have a crazy bull run like they're having on Solana at the moment. But my conviction in Milli is just getting reinforced every time I see a project trying and failing. Because this is Milli charts and it looks really good. So let's get into my predictions for today. Since my last video, we've stayed within the triangle that I described yesterday. And just a few hours ago, we broke out of the triangle, crossing a double resistance. And we are now hovering at that resistance, waiting for a decision. My prediction is that we're going to hit that support again, then exit the triangle again, and use the top line as a support to help us cross and go all the way to the next resistance. Then support, then all-time high, then support, and then very soon 10 million market cap. And don't forget, we have a big news coming on March 22nd. Let's head over to the Twitter and see what's happening in the Milliverse. As we can see, today is Monday. We have a steady increase of another 200 followers overnight, steadily making our way to 10,000. And Milli celebrated 9,000 followers yesterday with a nice AI creation. We can also see a long post from Alibut, or I'm not too sure how to say that, but he's a pillar of the Say community, and he's here telling us again why he thinks that everyone on Say should have a bag of Milli. And I'm quite happy that we share the same opinion on that, with a post that is reaching almost 10,000 views, and that I really recommend for you to read. And last but not least, I have decided to end this video on the Twitter account today, because we're still waiting on the announcement for the meme coin competition's winner.
I stay awake, not sleeping, because I'm thinking about this. This right here is my favorite thing ever.
So I'm going to be editing that first part of the video, and hopefully we'll get the results soon and I'll be able to put them at the end. Back to the video, refreshing the announcement page on the Discord. And just as I record, the team is answering my question, telling me that they will announce the winner of the meme competition in a few hours. So I'm not going to wait a few hours, I'll make it the big news for tomorrow. However, one more thing I want to mention before ending this video is that the Senna project completely rugged its holders and took off with the liquidity, reinforcing my point that Milli is the only safe bet on the Say network. That's it for the video, guys. Make sure you only invest money you can afford to lose. Remember that nothing I say is financial advice, and don't forget to have fun. Cheers.